Hi, everyone. We appreciate this opportunity to share more. My name is Samson,
I'm Nikhil.
and we are the guides. Within the past 3 days, we are able to share two updates on our features for the better user experience. We modified the UI for chat history record and response formats from the chatbots, improving the user points of view. We also worked on the modification on prompts to be more precise and set up the role of AI model for preparing more examples for the users. One of the most exciting update is that we are in progress of our subject button features that allow user to trigger specific subjects or role for the AI model. More importantly is that we are able to fetch subject values successfully from the front end to the server and passing it to the AI models. And now let's Nick show you guys the demonstrations.
So as Samson said, our bot can now accept a subject query from the user itself. So let me quickly uncomment the parts of the code that actually enables that feature. And here we have also assigned the assistant role to the bot based on the subject that the user has provided. And let me quickly run the bot. And as you can see, the tables for the database has been created that have been built using TiDB. And over here, application has started, and we can see that it now accepts a subject endpoint. So let's pick a subject of our choosing. For example, we are taking statistics over here. And just to see that our bot has been pre-trained based on the input that has been provided over here, we can actually ask what it can do. And while the time it prepares the response, let me quickly give you a run through of how the prompts has been defined. So we have taken this subject input from app right here so that we can fine tune our bot and give it instruction on how it has to behave and what we want it to do. And we have also passed in examples to have the bot of a better understanding on how it should perform and react. Um, this subject will have a functionality through these tabs that we have created over here. And as you can see, it came up with a response that it is now an expert educator in statistics, exactly what we asked and what we passed. And we can just go ahead and ask a statistics related question. So by the time it prepares a response, let me give you a run through of how the database is working for us. The database schema has been designed using SQL Alchemy, and it has been connected to TiDB serverless over here. And inside of some function file, we can actually see that the bot, how the functions have been defined to make the bot work. Questions and answer are linked to each other, and the subject is the primary index. And over here, as you can see, we also have, we have vector embedding capabilities. I'll tell you more about it, but here, as you can see, we have come up with a very comprehensive response. Now, we can also utilize OpenAI's multiple language acceptance capabilities, where making more and more users use our portal, our project to learn and utilize it in their daily lives. And when adding more users, question is about scalability, which is where we think TiDB plays a very important role, such that we can clearly see that using TiDB's metric system that which task is being performed on our database, and TiDB is scalable and charges us only for the part that we are using it for. So that saves us on money as well. We have also integrated vector embedding capabilities right here. OpenAI's vector embedding capabilities, and we have utilized FAISS as the vector database to store that. And so the benefit of this would be the user will now be able to store or upload a study note or university note and actually ask question of it to test it out. Let us just go ahead and take this question and ask the bot uh, and see if it can give us a response based on this. And so it will come up with a response. As you can see, it has come up with a response, making sure that it can read the files that we have passed over here using vector embedding capabilities. However, it would be great if TiDB can itself come up with a vector embedding capabilities in their database, making it a one-stop solution for people that are looking to create projects at scale based on AI and LLM models. Over to Samson.
Back to our visions. We want to maximize the performance and scalabilities of the guides like TiDB, allowing everyone in the world, including all ages or any backgrounds, to have access to this interactive learning experience, even serverless. We believe this is the innovation to guide people how to learn better with AI, and our mission is to deliver this interactive learning method with agility and scale. We can't wait to show you more. If you have any questions on the guides, feel free to reach out, and we are very welcome and happy to answer for you. Thank you so much for watching.